It's Green Thumb Girlie, come grow with me. One little seed can set you free. Family roots, sunshine skies, we're learning love.
Welcome back to all my greenies. It's your girl Green Thumb Girlie here. You guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I said let me bring you all along with me as I go over to Lowe's and look at their end of summer garden center. I want to see if they have any clearance stuff and what type of new plants they have coming out for the fall season and end of summer. It's just to see what they have here coming out, what type of new plants, what type of new flowers they have in our region for this time period. And also I want to see if they have anything on clearance, because girl, that's where you can let all your plant goals and plant dreams come true if you check out the clearance center. And when I was passing by here, I peeped in through the side gate and I saw that they had a huge rack of clearance items, so I'm excited to see what they have. And then we're also doing a porch, well, not really a porch, we're also doing a patio, end of summer patio refresh, because we got some clearance items from Walmart for the patio. So I want to see if I can find some cute little flowers and plants just to accentuate the patio and add to it, you know, for the season. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so that you can be notified next time I post. And you guys, don't forget to follow me on all of my socials, Lemon8, TikTok, Instagram, of course on YouTube, and it's gonna be Green Thumb Girlie across the board. I'll make sure that I leave the little scanner QR codes up here at the top of the screen where you can scan as well. You can just screenshot it with your phone and then scan it so that you can go straight to my socials. Anyway, you guys, let's get into it. I'll meet you inside Garden Center now. What these are. Oh, this is a pretty color here. I really like this color. It's pretty. These are actually pretty. In here, I wonder why. These are different. Y'all think these are different? Got some basil, $5.98 for 1 cup. Get some seeds. They still have tomatoes. Look at there. $15. I've never seen this type of chili before, a T-pin chili pepper, but this is what it looks like, you guys. They're beautiful. Full of ants though. Look at that. Let's see how many ants are in there. Hi. Look at that beautiful red door over there. I see, they're so pretty. It does look like a mourning dove. That's so pretty. You know, we have our mourning dove, so this is so cute. We're definitely gonna probably get something like that soon. This is a Meyer lemon tree. Meyer lemon. We just got a lemon bush, so we don't need another one of those, but I would love to get a different variety of fig. They have this fig tree here. It just says fig nominal. We have a Celeste fig tree already. I would definitely love to get another variety of fig. Ooh, look at this. They have the brown turkey fig, y'all. This is the one that's like really big. OMG. It's $32. Let me see how it looks. Here's another fig tree back here. It's also a fig nominal. Orange. Sunburst tangerine, $49. Wow. And there's another brown turkey fig right here. Arctic frost Satsuba, and it says it's cold hardy. Nice. That one might be good.
Cute.
The skin is burning off. Oh my God. They have some olive trees over here. Look at these banana plants, y'all.
We got one.
A dwarf king banana. OMG.
Can we get it?
This is $17.98, guys. A dwarf king banana plant. Looks very good. I already got new sprouts some in here. I have to do more research. Definitely need to do more research on a banana plant. And I love the fact that it's dwarf, so it doesn't take up so much space. But y'all tell me what y'all think.
I got a feather. Look at that.
Kids are fascinated by this mourning dove. It's huge. See? Let's see. This is a beautiful. We're making our way to the clearance section, and right now it's like 5 people over there. So let's see. All right, here's the clearance section. Clearance liquidation, less than $2. The clearance price is $1, and so forth and so on. So let's see what they have. I'm seeing some of the. So you guys, I'm currently at the clearance section, and they seem to have a really good sale going on. And I also see some of those sunscape hibiscus and other plants that I just saw over there. I want to see what the price difference is like over here. So you guys, they have these beautiful sunscape red hot hibiscus, and they are regular $24.98, but it says that they're 50% off if you get them from the clearance station. These are so pretty. I actually have some of this in my garden already. This is the Hawaiian Tide, and it's $17.98. It is a part of the clearance, and it says that if it's $17.98, it's 50% off. So that is an excellent price to me, because look at them. There's even some up here that look even better. This one looks way better. And I already have this growing, and it grows really good in our yard. So I think I'm gonna pick this up. I'm not sure yet. They have, this is a shaded plant, so that's good. Look, this would do good on our porch. Its cold hardiness is 32 or lower. I think that is. I mean, at my mom's house, we used to have this. This is completely dead, and it would take some help to grow that back. This one's $8, but I know that this is, it's called a purple queen. I'm thinking about getting this because this is something that's like from my childhood memory. Guys, look at this beautiful kefir pear. Wow, it's a pearl kefir. I'm thinking about going ahead and getting some of the organic mulch, you guys. Naturally aged, darkened, shredded, and covered. But I wish they had like cedar, because I heard that cedar is like a natural pesticide. So you guys, we're currently back here in the mulch section. My kids followed a kitten back here, and I'm thinking about getting some cedar mulch because I heard that they have some benefits as far as keeping some pests under control. A Florida Prince peach. It's pretty. I wonder how does it grow here.
Look at this, Mommy.
You guys, this is the plant, the fruit tree that I had growing up in my backyard. OMG, me and my sister have been looking for this plant for so long, and I've always gone to Home Depot, but we're at Lowe's.
Hey, y'all, welcome home to me.
This one is a fire. What is it called, Michaela? Lime Sizzler Fire Bush. I've never seen this before. It's very pretty. It's a full sun plant, so that's cool. But it's very thin. I don't know how it would do in the full sun. In my backyard, anyway.
Do they have a pink princess?
This one's a purple princess. How cute is that?
Pink princess at Lowe.
Very pretty. Pretty. Love it. The yellow and the pink. Oh wow, so pretty. So this is what that plant looks like, you guys. When it has some beautiful, look at those beautiful purple blooms. I kind of want to get one, but we got such a savings on this clearance one. All right, you guys, so I'm checking out of here. I'm getting ready to leave with all of my goodies, and I'll show y'all what we got. Hey y'all, just checking in really quickly. I had stopped over here at the Walmart Garden Center because I didn't see any soil that I wanted that wasn't full of chunky mulch and wood at the Lowe's. So I came over here and I actually saw a good deal. Let me show y'all. So they have this palette, and I've tried this before when it comes to amending my garden bed. The Whitney Farms Organic. They have two different kinds. They have the raised bed mix, which is 1.5 cubic feet, and then they also have the 1 cubic feet of organic planting soil. And this one they say is good for. This one they say it is good, rich planting soil for amending, and that's what I'm doing, you guys. It's so noisy out here. But anyway, we are at the Walmart Garden Center. Woo! Oh my gosh, y'all. We just put the soil in the car from Walmart Garden Center, and it just started pouring down as soon as I got in the car. I just made it. Those bags was heavy. Your girl got to work out. All right, you guys. I made it back home. I'm back in my backyard, and I want to show you what we picked up. Let's get into it. So first off, don't mind my patio, you guys. We're getting ready to do that over. I'll show you in another video what we come up with, but it is a mess right now, so girl, don't even look at it. But we did pick up these amazing, beautiful plants. We rescued them because they were actually getting ready to get rid of these. We picked up a purple queen, and we got 2 of these actually, you guys. We found the other one in a totally different section, and they were originally $8.98, and we got it for $3 for the 2 of them. So $3 and $3. We also picked up this Hawaiian tea, and I love this because my mother lives in Florida and she has these in her yard, and I always just love how beautiful they are. So I already have one like this. Let me show you. So here's the one that I already have right now, and she is very easy to take care of. I put her with a Rio. She actually came like that. It's a Rio plant along with this Hawaiian tea, and so I wanted to add into my garden some more of them because they're so beautiful. So just taking another look, we're going to get her cleaned up, put in another pot, and just really taken care of. And so yeah, let's look and see what else we got. Okay, you guys, so we also picked up these bags of amending soil. You can see that my bed is very low and I need to add some more soil to it, so we picked up these 4 bags. They were $6.48 at Walmart, and they are the Whitney Farms Organic Planting Soil for Amending. So this is going to be great in here. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I can't wait to get more videos out to you soon. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.
Family roots, sunshine skies. We're learning love in garden time, one seedling at a time. Come grow with me.